Today what I did was another nail boo video, and this was using the colors Stardust. Here's a tip. And I used Lavender Mist as the base color. You can see that they turned out awesome. And with Thanksgiving coming up, there's a couple things in my life that I'm really grateful for. My family has been the only way that I've made it through. I'm super thankful for my brother. Him and I spend a lot of time together and are just like best friends. And I have so much help and support from my parents, and I just don't know what I would do without them. I also have a baby on the way, and it's gonna be a little Thanksgiving boy, so I'm super excited about my little turkey baby. Hey guys, today I did another video for Nail Boo, and it's gonna be how to do the sparkly French dip. And I did this using the colors Stardust. Here's a tip. And Lavender Mist. With Thanksgiving right around the corner, there are so many things in my life that I am so blessed and grateful for. And the biggest thing this year is definitely going to be family. I have a little baby boy coming in November, so I'm really excited about that. And I'm so happy to have my mom and my dad and my brother. Me and my brother are like best friends, and I have so much help and support from my parents. I just don't know what I would do without them. And I have so much help and support from my parents. I just don't know what I'd do without them.